This video is showing how to perform BMW F01 VDM programming using Autoland I-Scan 3. Go to Diagnosis. Select Euro. Select BMW. Select BMW Coding Programming. Select BMW FCIP. Choose number 1 System Select. Select number 2 Chassis System. Select VDM. Select number 2 Programming Encoding. Select number 2 Most Appropriate Software Programming. Press Enter to continue. Press Enter to continue. Please read carefully before press Enter. Press Enter again to start programming. The result of programming and encoding. Finished. After the encoding was done, reset the ignition, off and on again. Select BMW Diagnostic, BMW F Series. Now scan ECU for fault codes, then erase it. Select Auto Eraser. Some fault codes may not be erased. Please perform ignition reset. Ignition off for 5 seconds or more, then on again. After the ignition reset, perform erase fault code again.